guys, and today I'm just gonna give you guys a hotel of the tour of the hotel room. Sorry.
Okay. So hi guys.
We are with
this is I'm Adriana. Go check my YouTube channel out. So yeah.
Yeah, this is like the mirror. This let's and on that part.
Let's show them your palette. So it looks like a boring old palette. Oof. Oh my god.
It looks like a boring old palette.
Oh, let's open it up.
He's
so
Anyway, back to the business. Okay, so when you first walk into the hotel room, you see this door. I don't know what that means, but anyway, No. And then you walk in, and here's
Okay, hold on. That's Paige's
Okay. Here's like the TV.
That's the TV.
And then
that's the bed. We've
here's
ordered
my
room
tent,
service.
and then here's. All right, let's go in my tent.
Oh! You want to show them your Billie Eilish thing? You got it?
Here's my
You
tent.
want to show them the Billie Eilish thing?
No, thank you. And then this is my nightlight.
You're so lucky. And then here is
Is it Eilish? Okay.
Billie Eilish. I love Billie Eilish as much as I love these two.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Anyway, yeah. Here's a bed. And now let's go.
Let's go to 5 room. I'm gonna do a tour of 5 room.
Paper water bottle. Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Take
Come on,
this.
guys. Let's go.
Stay hydrated.
Flip your camera. Flip the camera.
Stay hydrated, guys.
So, once you walk in, you see this. An emergency evacuation.
I don't know what that is for, but
It's
yeah.
an emergency evacuated in case of a fire.
Here's
So, this is our
and just stand extra.
So,
Your room's not so.
this is my bed. And I
Are you
have
gonna
my
drag it
sword.
to our room?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
And this is our bed. This is Poke. This is Poke.
Poke.
Hi.
Aww.
And then this is Cocoa Puffs. This is Fred.
Cocoa Puffs.
We all got our special little own bear.
Mine's marshmallow. They can have a play date. Anyway, yeah, and then here's the
Listen, people.